Hello, everybody. Welcome to the integration math class. I am going to do an interesting math. This math is an integration math, and this math is a little bit difficult. I will use the rule UV method. The UV method is um, the one part of the math will be u and another part will be v. So the uv method is integration u v dx equals u integration v dx minus integration second bracket start v dx of u integration v dx second bracket close dx. This is the rule and I will use this rule in this math. Math is I equals integration e to the power ax sine bx dx. This is the math, and I will let one part as this is sine bx as u and e to the power ax as v. So next I will do this math in using this rule. So equals sine bx integration e to the power ax dx minus integration second bracket start dx of sine bx integration e to the power ax dx second bracket close dx. Okay, next line will be sine bx and integration of e to the power ax dx equals e to the power ax divided by a minus integration differentiation of sine bx equals cos bx into b into integration of e to the power ax equals e to the power ax divided by a second bracket dx. So now 1 divided by a I am taking in front of this term. Then e to the power ax sine bx minus b divided by a integration e to the power ax cos bx. Dx. Okay, then 1 divided by a e to the power ax sine bx minus b divided by a. Again I will use the rule EV method here. So cos bx integration e to the power ax dx minus integration second bracket d dx cos bx integration e to the power ax divide e to the power ax dx second bracket close dx third bracket close. Now the next line 1 divided by a e to the power ax sine bx minus b divided by a cos bx and integration of e to the power x dx equals e to the power ax divided by a minus differentiation of cos bx is minus sin bx into b. Integration, then integration minus sin bx into b into integration of e to the power x equals e to the power ax divided by a, the second bracket close, into dx, third bracket close. Now the next line equals 1 by e to the power ax sin bx minus b by a one by e to the power ax cos bx plus this minus and this minus multiplies and it's becoming plus. So this plus, and next b by a integration e to the power ax sin bx. So you see that see here that this is the integration what we take as take in the initial stage. So we can put I instead of this integration part. So now 1 divided by e to the power ax sin bx minus b by a square. I am multiplying with b by a inside the third bracket. So b by a square e to the power ax cos bx minus b square divided by a square into I instead of this. So I'm going to do the next line. What we wrote at the first time, you can see here. This is here I equals this integration. So I will write I here again. So now if I take this part in our left side, so I plus b square divided by a square into I equals 1 divided by a e to the power ax sin bx minus b divided by a square e to the power ax cos bx. Now a square plus b square divided by a square into I uh, and now a I'm taking a square as the then a e to the power ax sin bx minus b e to the power ax cos bx. So here a square and this square will be cancelled. So I equals e to the power ax I'm taking as common, so a sin bx minus b cos bx divided by a square plus b square plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, thank you all of you. I think you will like this math.